Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Don't forget to hit that like, share, leave me any comments below, and hit that subscribe button.
Here she comes walking in, cotton dresses swishing. The smoke is thick and the lights are dim, and she sure got me wishing for a little bit of time out on that old dance floor. If she gives me half a chance at a romance, I'm gonna dance her home. Well, hey bartender, see that girl, ask her what she's drinking. Tell her if she looks this way, I'll be the one winking. Cause I saw her light up when the DJ played a little George Jones. If she gives me half a chance at a romance, I'm gonna dance her home. Cause if we got to two-stepping, we could come up missing and find a corner booth alone. Just a hugging and a kissing like two lovers reminiscing. Man, this feeling's coming on strong. If she gives me half a chance at romance, I'm gonna dance her home. Get the dancing, boy.
Thanks for watching. See you next dance.